Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nana. In this video today, I'm going to talk about video CVs. These are a cotton trend. Everybody wants to have one. A lot of organizations are getting open to take video applications. So it's high time you should design your video CVs. But I get a lot of questions from so many people on how to create a video profile. We at Careervues, we are offering this service of creating a video profile at a very nominal charges. But if you want to do it yourself, today I'm going to share some tips with you through which you could design your video profile effectively. So let's begin. To begin with, let me share 5 quick steps to plan and prepare of creating a video CV. First thing, plan the content. Write on a piece of paper whatever you want to speak in your video profile. Tip number 2, you should dress up appropriately as you would in your interview. Tip number 3, you should do the proper makeup and hair for females. Tip number 4, check your gadgets, the quality of sound, microphone and the charging. Tip number 5, look at the settings where you want to present your video profile. It could be open air, it could be on your office desk, or it could be while sitting on a chair somewhere. Speak clearly and professionally. When you create your video profile, make sure the length is not more than 1 to 2 minutes. If you keep it under 2 minutes, it's better. The second tip would be, don't make it your CV. Don't sit in front of your CV and start reading it. Video profile has to be a short snapshot of your entire career. You have to be very specific of your achievements, your career goals, your objective, and your qualifications. And that's about it. While creating your video profile, make sure you are dressed as you would dress up for an interview. You have to be in professional attire with the right makeup, and for females, do your hair. Use a light background behind you and look at the technical stuff. Your voice has to be in HD quality. Lighting has to be proper. Make sure your microphone works well and the gadget you are using is well charged. The content that you want to talk about in your video profile has to be based on the targeted industry. Whichever industry you are targeting to work, make sure the content you are providing should show the value addition that you could do if you are considered for that role. While talking, look at the camera dot, not at yourself. It would help you maintain the eye contact with the viewer. Always make sure you create a link of your video profile and place it on your LinkedIn and your resume before sending it for any potential job opportunities. I would leave a link of my video profile under this video. Do check the description. Do visit my website, which is www.careervues.com. Follow us on social media at Careervues. I look forward for your feedback while creating your video profile. Do share in comments how did you found this video, and stay tuned to Careervues. Thanks for watching.